Saladana Narira Loka Pranaya Karunaya Naganacha Bhaktasya Kaya Nagunana Asya Vande Gurasri Charnara Vrinda
Jale Hitamanasi Vedam Randaya Payadhi Jale Hitamanasi Vedam Vihita Pahitra Tramapedam Vihita Bahitra Chari Tramapedam Kesamadritam Kesamadritam Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Keshamadrita Nina Charira Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Japaya Dejale Vitapana Vedam Vihita Vahi Prakaritam Vedam Pranaya Payadhi Jale Vitamanasi Vedam Vihitam Vihitam Vedam Kesamadritam Nina Charira Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Vipulatari Visthati Tava Prithe Vipulatare Visthati Tava Prithe Dharani Dharanakina Sakravariste Viti Viha Vipulatare Visthati Tava Prithe Dharani Dharanakina Sakravariste Dharani Dharanakina Sakravariste Kurmachari Hirang Keshavadrita Kurmachari Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Keshavadrita Keshavadrita Kurmachari जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे पय घी जले निदम पय घी जले निदम मानसी वेदम विहित वही सचरी श्रम एदम वसति दर्शन शिखरे वसति दर्शन शिखरे धरणी तम लग्ना वसति दर्शन शिखरे धरणी तम लग्ना सचिनी कलंक कले मणिमग्ना वसति दर्शन शिखरे धरणी कमलग्ना वसति दर्शन शिखरे कमलग्ना सचिनी कलंक कले मणिमग्ना सचिनी कलंक कले मणिमग्ना केशमधृत वराह रूपं केशमधृत वराह रूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशमधृतं वराहरूपं केशमधृतं वराहरूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे पय जले मानसी वेदम तब पर कमल बदी दखमद्भुत सिंगम तब पर कमल बदी तब कर कमल बरे नखयाद्भुत सिंगम तब कर कमल बरे नखयाद्भुत सिंगम गलित हिरण्यक विपुतनो भृंगाम तब कर कमल बरे नखमाद्भुत सिंहं गलित हिरण्यकशिपुतनुभृङ्गं केशमधृत नरहरिरूपं केशमधृत नरहरिरूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशमधृतं नरहरिरूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे व्रजपय धीजने हितमानसी वेदं व्रज प्रलयपयभिजने हितमानसीवेदं विहितमहीत्रमभेदम् छलयसि विक्रमणे बलिमाभूतवामन छलयसि विक्रमणे बलिमाभूतवामन पदनखनी रजनित जन पावन पदनखनी रजनित जन पावन केशमखित वामन रूपं केशमखित वामन रूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय हरे केशमखित वामन रूपं केशमखित वामन जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे हरे प्रलयपयभिजने हितमानसीवेदं प्रलयपयभिजने हितमानसीवेदं विहितमहीत्रमभेदं प्रलयपयभिजने रुधिरमयी जगन् तपगत पापं रुधिरमयी जगन् तपगत पापं स्नपयसि पयसि अमित भवतापम् रुधिरमये जगतपगतां पापं न पयसि पयसि च नितभवतापम् केशमधृत भृगुपतिरूपम् समधृत भृगुपतिरूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे हरे समधृत भृगुपतिरूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे प्रलयपयभिजने हितमानसीवेदं विहितमहीत्रमभेदं प्रलयपयभिजने वितरसि देशदाने देशपतिकमानि यं वितरसि देशदाने दीपतीकमनीयम् दशमुखमौनि बोले रमणीयम् वितरसि दीक्षिणमे दीपतीकमनीयम् दशमुखमौनि बोले रमणीयम् केशमधित रामशरीरम् केशमधित रघुपति जय जगदीश हरे 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 केशमधृत रघुपति रूपम् केशमधृत रघुपति रूपम् जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे बहसी बपुसी विशदे जलदाभम् बहसी बहसी बपुसी विशदे जलदाभम् अलयति भीतित जलमाभम् अलयति भीतिमिलित जमुनाभम् बहसी बपुसी विशदे वचनं जलदाभम् अलयति भीतिमिलित जमुनाभम् केशमधृत अलसररूपम् केशमधृत अलधररूपम् जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे हरे केशमधृत अलधररूपम् जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय मिन्दसि जगविधेरः हसते जातं मिन्दसि जगविधेरः हसते जातं दादजलिदायद पिता पशुघातम् मिन्दसि जगविधेरः हसते जातं मिन्दसि जगविधेरः हसते जातं दादजलिदायद पिता पशुघातम् दादजलिदायद पिता पशुघातम् केशमधृत बुद्धशरीरम् केशमधृत बुद्धशरीरम् Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare. Nindasi Jagavidhera Asute Jatam, Nindasi Jagavidhera Asute Jatam, Sada Mahidayada Itam Pasughatam Kesamakritam Buddha Shariram Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Kesamadritam Buddha Shariram Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Rada Napaya Dhijale Dhitaman Sivedam, Rada Napaya Dhijale Dhitaman Sivedam, Vihitamahi Karchini Tamakhenam Kesamadritam Nilachari Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare. Lekshani Mahani Dhani Kanayati Kanabalam, Lekshani Mahani Dhani Kanayati Kanabalam, Kimapi Karalam, Lekshani Lekshani Mahani Kalayate Kanabalam. Pralaya Payadhijale Dhitamanasi Vedam. This is a song sung by great Vaishnava poet Jayadev Goswami. The purport is that when there was devastation, the whole universe was flooded with water. The ultimate dissolution of this material world will be, first of all, there will be no water. All water on the earth will be dried up by scorching heat of the sun. The sun will become 12 times stronger as it is at the present moment. In that way, evaporate all the waters, the seas and the oceans will be all evaporated. Therefore, all living creatures on the earth will die. And then, due to scorching heat, practically everything will be turned into ashes. Then there will be rain for 100 years, torrents of rain, like the trunk of the elephant. And thus the whole universe will be filled with water. That is called pralaya payadhi. At the time of devastation, pralaya, the whole universe will be just like it is now filled with air. At that time it will be filled up with water. At that time, Vedas will be said by the Lord on a boat, and the the boat will be stuck up in the wings of the great fish. That great fish is the incarnation of Krishna. Therefore he is worshipping Kesavadhita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadish. So Meena Sarira. And the next is Khitiriha Vipulatare Tisthati Tava Pristhe Dharani Dharanakina Chakra Garishte. So there will be churning. Next incarnation is tortoise. On the back of the tortoise, the Meru Parvat will be fixed up, or the world will rest on the back of the tortoise. This is second incarnation. First fish and then tortoise. Then Varaha Avatar, one demon, Hiranya Kashipu and Hiranyaksha. So he will, by his demonic activities, he will throw the earth on the Garbho sea. There is a sea within this universe. Half of the globe is filled up with Garbha Samudra, on which Garbhodaya Vishnu is there, and from him a lotus stem comes out, wherein Brahma takes birth. So all the planets are hanging as different stems of this original stem coming out from the abdomen of Garbhodaya Vishnu. So one demon of the name Hiranyaksha, he will put this earth within this water. And at that time, the Lord will come out in the incarnation of Varaha. The Varaha incarnation they came as a small insect from the nose of Brahma, and when he put it on his hand, it began to increase. In this way, he assumed a very gigantic body, and with his tusk, he picked up the earth from within the water of Garbho ocean. That is called Kesavadhita Varaha Rupa. The next is Tabakara Kamala Bare Nakha Madhuta Singham Dalita Hiranya Kashipu Tanu Bhingam. Hiranyakashipu, he was another demon who wanted to be immortal. So he took benediction from Brahma that he will not die on land, in the sky, or in the water. So in order to keep as it is, the benediction given by Brahma, Lord Krishna tries to honor the words of his devotee. So Brahma gave him benediction, yes, he will not die on land, on water, on sky. But Nishingadev appeared as half lion, half man, because Hiranyakashipu also took benediction from Brahma that he will not be killed by any man or any animal. So he assumed the form of something which you cannot say in man or animal, and he put the demon on his lap, which is neither land, water or sky. And he wanted not to be killed by any weapons. Therefore, the Lord killed him with his nails. Nail is not considered as weapon. In this way, he wanted to cheat Brahma, but the Lord is so intelligent that he cheated Hiranyakashipu and killed him. Kesavadhita Narahari Rupa. Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanu Bhringam. Just like with our nails, we can kill any insect. Take an ant, you can bifurcate it. Similarly, the Hiranyakashipu was such a giant demon. He was compared just like a little insect and was killed by the nails of the Lord. Then, next incarnation is Bamandev. This Bamandev, a dwarf, he went to Balu Maharaj and asked him 3 feet land. And his guru, Shukracharya, induced him not to promise because he is Vishnu. But Bali Maharaj was very much satisfied to offer something to Vishnu. He gave up the connection of his guru because he forbade him to serve Vishnu. Therefore, Bali Maharaj is one of the Mahajans. Nobody can check the worship of Vishnu. If anyone checks, he may be guru, he may be father, he may be relative, he should be rejected immediately. Therefore, Bali Maharaj is a Mahajan. He showed this example because his guru put hindrances on the path of his worshipping Lord Vishnu. He gave up the connection of his guru. So, by this process, he begged, but that was not begging practically, that was cheating. But Bali Maharaj agreed to be cheated by the Lord. That is the symptom of a devotee. The devotee agrees to any action of the Lord. When Bali Maharaj saw that the Lord wanted to be cheat by asking 3 feet land, he will take the whole universe. So he agreed. And by 2 feet, the whole universe was covered up and down. Then Bamandev asked him, where is to keep the 3rd feet? So Bali Maharaj agreed, my Lord, you keep it on my head. I have got my body still. In this way, he purchased Lord Vishnu, Bamandev, and Bamandev remained as the doorkeeper of Bali Maharaj. So, by giving everything, Sarvatma Sapane Bali, he gave everything to Lord. And by that giving up, he purchased the Lord. He remained voluntarily as doorkeeper of Bali Maharaj. So, Chalayasi Vikramane Bali Madhubhuta Bhamana Padanakha Nira Janita Janapa. When Bamandev expanded his leg upwards by his toe, there was a hole in the covering of the universe, and through that hole the Ganges water came from Vaikuntha. Padanakha Nira Janita, and the Ganges water is flowing now in the universe, sanctifying everywhere, wherever the Ganges water is there. Padanakha Nira Janita Janna Pavan. Then next incarnation is Bhrigupati, Parasuram. Parasuram is a Shaktavesh avatar. So, he 21 times killed the Kshatriyas. So out of Parasuram's fear, all the Kshatriyas, they migrated towards Europe, it is said in the history of Mahabharata. So 21 times he attacked all the Kshatriyas. They are not in order, so he killed them. And there is a big tank in Kurukshetra where all the bloods were reserved. Later on it became water. So Kshatriya Rudhira, in order to pacify the aggrieved earth, he soaked the earth with the blood of the Kshatriyas. Snapayasi payasi samita bhavatap. Vitarasi diksurane dikpatikamaniyam dasamukha mauli baling ramani. The next avatar is Ramchandra. So the Ravan, who had 10 heads, he challenged the Lord, and Lord Ramchandra took up the challenge and killed him. Then, Bahusi Bapusi Visade Basanang Jaladabham Halayati Bhiti Milita Jamuna. When Baladev wanted Jamuna to come near him, so she was not coming, And therefore, with his plough, he wanted to bifurcate the earth. And at that time, Jamuna submitted and she came near to the Lord. Halayati bhiti Jamuna. Halayati bhiti milita Jamunabham. So Jamuna was punished by Lord Baladev. Kesavadhita haladhara rupa. Haladhara means plough. Haladhara rupa jaya jagadisha. Next, Buddha, Lord Buddha, nindasi jagga vidhi raha satiya. Lord Buddha defied the Vedic injunction because his mission was to stop animal killing, and in the Vedas, in some of the sacrifices, animal killing is prescribed. So, those are so-called followers of the Vedic rules. They wanted to stop Buddha in his mission for stopping animal killing. So therefore, when people wanted to give evidence from the Vedas, that in the Vedas there is description, there is sanction of animal killing in sacrifices, why you are stopping? He nindasi, he defied. And because he defied the authority of Vedas, therefore Buddha philosophy was not accepted in India. Nastik, anyone who will deny the authority of the Veda, he will be called a Nastik, non-believer. Vedas cannot be disrespected. So in this way, Lord Buddha, to save the poor animals, he sometimes defied the injunction of the Vedas. Kesavadhita Buddha Sarira Jaya Jagadisha. The next avatar is Kalki avatar. We are awaiting after 400,000 of years from this time. The Kalki avatar will come and he will take a sword on the horseback just like a king. He will simply go on killing all these non-believers, godless creatures. There will be no more preaching. As in other incarnations there is preaching. In Kalki avatar, the population of the whole world will be so much reduced to animalism that there will be no more power to understand what is God or what is spiritualism. And it is already there in the Kali Yuga. It will increase. People will have no power to understand this philosophy, God consciousness. So at that time there is no other alternative than to kill them all and is usher in another Satyayuga. That is the way of our evolution.
हमारा जीवन सदा पपरत नहीं को मेरो हरे रुद्र दिया छी जे कता दिया छी निज सुख लागी पापे नहीं डरी दया ही स्वार्थपर निज सुख लागी पापे नहीं डरी दया हीन स्वार्थपर पर सुखे दुखी पर सुखे दुखी सदा मिथ्या भाषी पर दुख सुख पर पर सुखे दुखी पर सुखे दुखी सदा मिथ्या भाषी पर दुख सुख पाए। पर सुखे दुखी, पर सुखे दुखी सदा मिथ्या हसी, पर दुख सुख पाए। हमार जीवन सदा पापे रत नहीं को मेरे ले। हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रत नहीं तो मेरे ले। परेर युद्ध में दिया छी जे कत दिया छी मेरे ले। जीवन सदा पपरत नहीं तो मेरो ले। हसे सकामना, हसे सकामना विधि मध्यम दंभ परायण। अशेष कामना विधि माझे मन दंभ परायण। मदमत्त सदा विषय मोहित हिंसा गर्व विभूषण। कामना कामना हृदय माझे मदमत्त सदा विषय मोहित हिंसा गर्भ विभूषण। अशेष कामना हृदय माझे दंभ परायण। अशेष कामना विधि माझे दंभ परायण। मदमत्त सदा विषय मोहित हिंसा गर्भ विभूषण। हत सुकाट्य विरत अकाट्य उद्योग आमी। प्रतिष्ठा लगिया सठ आचरण लवाहत विद्यालस हत सुकाट्य विरत अकाट्य उद्योगी आमी। प्रतिष्ठा लगिया सठ आचरण लवाहत। हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रत नहीं क पुण्येरो लेस। हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रत नहीं कपुण्येरो लेस। পরের ইবে দিয়াছি যে কত দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ। প্রতিষ্ঠা লাগিয়া ষাঠ আচরণ এহান দুর্জন সজ্জন বর্জিত অপরাধী নিরন্তর। এহেন দুর্জন সজন বর্জিত এহেন দুর্জন সজ্জন বর্জিত অপরাধী নিরন্তর। শুভ কার্য শূন্য সদা অর্থ মনা। শুভ কার্য শূন্য সদা অর্থ মনা। নানা দুঃখে জয় জয়। শুভ কার্য শূন্য সদা অর্থ মনা। নানা দুঃখে জর জয়। বার্ধক্যে এখন উপায় বিহীন। বার্ধক্যে এখন উপায় বিহীন। তাতে দিন কিঞ্চন ভকতি বিনা প্রভুর চরণে করে দুঃখ নিবেদন। বার্ধক্যে এখন উপায় বিহীন। তাতে দীনয় কিঞ্চন ভকতি বিনা প্রভুর চরণে করে দুঃখ নিবেদন। আমার জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাহি আমার জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাহি পুণ্যে গলে। পরের উদ্বে দিয়াছি যে কত দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ। আমার জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাহি পুণ্যে গলে। পরের উদ্বে দিয়াছি যে কত দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ। আমার জীবন
আমার জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাহি ক পুণ্যের লেশ। This is a song sung by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Vaishnava humbleness. A Vaishnava is always meek and humble. So he is describing the life of the people in general, taking himself to be one of them. The people in general are like the description given here. He says that my life is always engaged in sinful activities. And if you try to find out you will not find even a trace of pious activities, only full of sinful activities. And I am always inclined to give trouble to other living entities. That is my business. I want to see that others are suffering and I enjoy. নিজ সুখ লাগি পাপে nahi dori. For my personal sense gratification, I do not care for any sinful activities. That means I accept any kind of sinful activities if it is satisfactory to my senses. Dayahin sarthako. I am not at all merciful and only I see to my personal interest. Parasukhe dukhi. As such, when others are suffering, I become very happy. And always talking lies, sada mithavas. Even for ordinary things, I am accustomed to speak lies. Para dukkha sukhakar. And if one is suffering, that is very pleasant to me. Ashesha kamana ridimajemo. I have got lots of desire within my heart, and I am always angry and falsely prestigious, always puffed up with false pride. Madamatta sada vishaya mohita. I am captivated in subject matters of sense gratification and almost I am crazy. Hingsa Garbha Vibhushan. My ornaments are enviousness and false pride. Nidralasya hata sukarji birot. I am subdued or I am conquered by sleep and laziness. Sukarji birot. And I am always averse to pious activities. Akarji udjogi ami. And I am very enthusiastic to perform impious activities. Pratishtha lagiya sattha achan. I always cheat others for my prestige. Lobo hato sada kami. I am conquered by greediness and always lusty. Ehano durjan sajana buddhi. So I am so fallen and I have no association of devotees, of aparadhi, offender, nirantar, always. Shubho karya shunno. In my life, there is not a bit of auspicious activities, sadanarthamana, and my mind is always attracted by something mischievous. Nana dukkhe jara jara. Therefore, at the fag end of my life, I am almost invalid by all such sufferings. Bardhakya ekhon upaya bihin. In my old age, I have no other alternative now. Tate dina akinchan. Therefore, by force, I have now become very humble and meek. Bhakati Vinod Prabhura Charane. Thus Bhaktivinoda Thakur is offering his statement of life's activities at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord.
चिंतामणि प्रकर सदमसु कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिन्तामणि प्रकरसद्मसु कल्पवृक्षलक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि वेनं कन्वन्तं अरविन्ददलयताक्षं वेणुं कन्वन्तं अरविन्ददलयताक्षं बरहावतं समसितां बुधसुन्दराङ्गम् कन्दर्पकोटि कमनीय विशेषशोभं गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिन्तामणि प्रकरसद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आलोलचन्द्रकलश वनमालवंशी रत्नांगदं प्रणयकेली कलाविलासं श्यामं त्रिभंगललितं नियतप्रकाशं गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिन्तामणि प्रकरसद्मसु कल्पवृक्षलक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिन्तामणि अंगानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवित्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति अंगानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवित्तिमन्ति